Ever been out shopping and wished there was an easier way to pay? You know, something smoother than fumbling for your wallet or tapping your card. Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the world of FavePay in Singapore. So, where exactly can you unleash the power of this digital wallet? Let's find out. First things first, FavePay is your go-to for a cashless lifestyle. It's like having your wallet condensed into a sleek app on your phone. And the best part? You can use it at a ton of places across Singapore. Forget lugging around cash or cards, FavePay has you covered. Let's talk about food. Craving a delicious meal? FavePay is your dining companion. From hawker centers to fancy restaurants, countless eateries accept FavePay. Imagine whipping out your phone, scanning a QR code, and your meal is paid for in seconds. No more waiting for change or fumbling with your card, just pure, effortless dining. But wait, there's more. FavePay isn't just for foodies. It's your shopping buddy too. Many retailers, from clothing stores to electronics shops, accept FavePay. So, whether you're grabbing a new outfit, upgrading your tech, or stocking up on groceries, you can simply pay with a tap. It's that easy. And let's not forget about everyday essentials. Need to top up your phone credit? Pay your bills? FavePay can handle it all. You can easily link your bank accounts and pay for services like utilities, transportation, and even government fees. It's a one-stop shop for all your payment needs. Now, you might be wondering, how do I find places that accept FavePay? Fear not. The FavePay app has a handy map feature. Just open the app, tap on the map, and it will show you all the nearby merchants that accept FavePay. It's like having a personal guide to cashless convenience. But the perks don't stop there. Using FavePay often unlocks exclusive rewards and discounts. Imagine earning points on every purchase, redeeming them for amazing deals, and enjoying exclusive offers from your favorite brands. It's like getting rewarded for making your life easier. So, there you have it. FavePay is your key to a smoother, more rewarding payment experience in Singapore. From dining out and shopping to paying bills, FavePay simplifies your life and puts the power of cashless convenience at your fingertips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.